Not all college programs are the same. Some degrees are broad and academic. Healthcare career programs are skill-based and employment-driven. At Hawaii Medical College, programs like medical assisting, pharmacy technician, and healthcare administration billing and coding are designed around employability. That means hands-on training. Real-world simulations. Preparation for clinical, administrative, and pharmacy environments. Healthcare employers aren't just looking for theory. They're looking for trained professionals who understand workflow, compliance, patient interaction, medication safety, and electronic systems. Allied healthcare programs are structured to prepare students for direct workforce entry. The question isn't just, will I earn a diploma or degree? It's, will I gain skills employers need right now? Healthcare continues to grow. Trained allied health professionals are essential to that system. If you'd like to see what a day in one of these programs looks like and how it leads to employment, request information and we'll help you explore the right fit.